Hello, so do you know how to solve such an amazing maths problem? So welcome. I want us to solve it within the shortest time possible. So if you know how to work it out, please comment your answer on the comment section. So let's now start. So solution. So on the solution, then is the problem that we have. So we have 4 to the power of a, then again plus 4 to the power of a is equals to 40. So how do we handle the value for a? Now, since 4 to the power of a and 4 to the power of a is common or similar, what we need to do is to factorize it. So when doing factorization, we shall have 4 to the power of a, then close the bracket, 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. So the reason is this: when we open this bracket, we shall end up with 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a. So now let's now work out the number inside the bracket. So in working it out, 4 to the power of a into bracket, this one now shall we have 2, here is equals to 40. So in this case, we shall now divide both sides by 2, this side also by 2, so that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now 4 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 40, 20. So 4 to the power of a is equals to 20. So from here, how do we find the value of 20? It is impossible for us to change 20 to a base and an index. For an example, here is 4 is a base, a is an index. So we shall now be forced to introduce what is called the log. So here, when we introduce the log from both sides, we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of a, which is equals to the log of 20. So the log of 4 to the power of a, here we can rewrite it by saying that suppose we have log 4 to the power of a. This one can be written as a log 4, which is equals to the log of 20. Similarly, when we have something like the log of p to the power of x, when we write this one, we shall now have x, the log of x, the log of p. So that's the same way we have rewrite this maths problem. So from here now, for us to remain with a on this end, we shall divide both sides by the log of 4. So here now, all over the log of 4. So here also, all over the log of 4. So the log of 4 and the log of 4 cancel. So now a is equals to the log of 20 all over the log of 4. So here, we shall now say that a is equals to, so the log of 20 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, close the bracket, all over the log of 4. So assuming that here we have something like the log of, so assume we have the log of ab, so meaning that the log of a multiplied by b, so this one can be written as the log of a, then again plus the log of b. So that is according to the law of exponents. So meaning that according to this one, the log of 4 multiplied by 5, we shall now have a to be is equals to, so a is equals to the log of 4 plus now the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So all over again the log of 4. So here now we shall say that we shall have, so our working does not stop here. So now a is equals to, now we shall have the log 4 all over the denominator, that is the log 4, then again plus the log 5 all over the log 4. So now the value for a is equals to the log and the log 4, and the log 4 shall cancel. So now we shall have a is equals to 1 plus now the log 5 all over the log 4, all over the log of 4. So assuming that, so we have the log p maybe all over the log of m. So this one we can write it by now having the log p to the base of m. So when you write the log 5 all over the log 4, so now we shall conclude by saying that our value for a is equals to the 1, our value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So this one now is our correct answer when we have simplified it correctly.